issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stroud to near Warwick to 4 miles south of Cashion, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Edmond, Midwest City, Shawnee, Del City, Guthrie, Chandler, Bethany, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Hara, McLeod, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Jones, Stroud, Lacoma Park, Prague, and Luther. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.